Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use SSH keys on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you have to enable the SSH key. So open settings, type settings, select settings, then move to system. Now scroll down a bit and look for optional features. As we can see in the second last here, click on optional features. Now here you have to search SSH keys, uh, type SSH. Now you can see here open SSH client. Now click on it. And now you can see here my SSH already installed. If it's not installed, you have to install it and then you're good to go. Now once that done, we are ready to move on to generating your SSH keys. Now go to search bar and type command. Open command prompt, run as administrator, and click on yes. Now, to generate a new SSH key pair, type SSH in small letters, type dash. Now write keygen, keygen, and hit the enter key. Now you will be prompted to specify the file in which to save the key. By default, the keys are saved in the C your username and .ss directory. Now just press enter to accept the default location. Now it will ask for passphrase or leave it blank. Once that done, your access key pair is generated. Click on enter. Okay, now you can see here my access is key fingerprint generated. And that's it, guys. I hope you like the video. And it's very easy to set up your SSH keys in the Windows 11. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.